Hey guys, what's up? My name is Dasha. In our last video, we learned about circumference. Now we're going to talk about circles. So, what's the difference between a circumference and a circle? A circle is a portion of a plane bounded by a circumference. That's basically it. So, for instance, circumference is measured in meters or centimeters, right? While a circle is measured in square units like square meters or square centimeters. To measure the area of a circle, we'll need our favorite number pi, about 3.14 comma, and the area of a circle is S of a circle, for example, right? And we use pi multiplied by r. R is the radius squared. You know that 2 radii equal a diameter. If your problem gives you the diameter, just divide it by 2 and use that in the formula. It's really simple. So here we have the center of the circle, for example, the center of the circle, and from here to here is the radius. Let's calculate what the area of the circle will be. For 3 meters, 5 meters radius, 10 and 1.5 meters. For example, 314 times 3 squared is 9, right? So we multiply 314 by 9, 28, 26. Of course, you can calculate this directly in column format. I'm just doing it this way to be faster. If calculators aren't allowed, like during a test, then do it in columns. Next, let's say 314 multiplied by 5 squared, that's 25, right? 314 multiplied by 25, 78 and 5 meters. 314 multiplied by 100, but this is simple. Just move the decimal twice. 1, 2, 314 meters. And 314 multiplied by 1.5 squared, that's 314 multiplied by 225. It's 7.065 thousand meters squared. That's all in square meters. So this is exactly the area of the circle. Area is always measured in squares. That is, square meters or square centimeters depends on what problem you're solving. And if your problem states that S equals 5.24 square meters and you need to find the radius, then we substitute 5.24 equals 3.14 multiplied by radius squared, right? So the radius squared will be equal to 5.24 divided by 3.14 equals 5.24 divided by 3.14 comma, which gives us 16. And this gives us the root, yes, the square root of 16 equals 4. That's 4 meters. This is precisely our measurement in meters. So the radius is measured in meters, while the circle's area is measured in square meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Good luck to everyone. Bye bye.